guys, I'm in Tampa. So if you guessed another Florida location, you were right. My last video when I said, where do you guys think I'm going next? I found this store. Let's go in there and see what they have. So of course I'm traveling. That basically means I just can't take home everything. I know some of you, I think in my last video when I said that, said, oh, just like pack it up and mail it. Sometimes I just don't have enough time for that. But let's just see what they have. I don't really know. I'm in the, oh my god, that's cute. I love this color palette. Something about the lighter blue with the darker blue. See, like, I want to take this home right here. This is really cute too. You can definitely use these to junk journal with or use in your planners. I've done this before. And you just need a little bit of glue stick and it works really well. Look how cute he is. I mean, Dollar Tree's still going strong with these gnomes. Look at him though. I'm not gonna lie, this is actually really cute. I like these. These would be fun too to create as charms for like junk journaling or crafting. You got these. These are sweet too. I've seen these though in my Dallas store, so I don't really need to like, I can just pick these up at home, but I like that they're doing stuff like this. You always gotta look out for the fairy stuff, the fairy garden line, because they put out new stuff. Look at this. This is a macaroon chair. Like, that is so adorable. They have all new little, look at that. Guys, now I love looking at cards for junk journaling. This one's actually really cute. It only has this in this one section. Plus they like put it in a box that's really easy to junk journal with. So I'm actually, you know what? I'm gonna leave this here because hopefully I'll find this at home. So let's just cross our fingers. You already know. I can't explain myself, but we're just gonna get these, okay? Okay, these are giving vintage so much. I don't know why I never noticed them before, but oh my god, I need to go home and find these. Look at that. The store has the bonus stuff mixed in with the $1.25 stuff. That's not how they do it in Dallas, or at least not the stores I go to. But this is $5 and it's a paint your own wood sign. That's pretty cool. Look at this one. Oh, it's getting Golden Girls. Look how cute. Wait, what is this? Punch Needle Kit, Pink Poppies, and Seaside Sunrise. Oh my gosh. What is this? Sassy and Chic put out. Like, what is that supposed to be? I don't get it. These are so cute. My mom just sent me some, but I don't have this one. Look, a little pink one, a little blue. Oh, so cute. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Yep, we're getting that. I actually need a loofah. I'm staying at an Airbnb, so I'm gonna get this one. What? I didn't bring one of these with me, so let's do the pink one. Wait, what? The hair dye comb. Actually, I wonder if this could work for hair oiling, so we're gonna get that. I've never seen this before. Angel of Mine, BPA free, mini silicone popsicle molds for infants, like when they're teething. That's cute. This store is slightly picked over. Wait a minute, what is this? What is that? A car storage pocket? Look at that, it goes on the seat. This is small enough that I can like pack this with me. So we're getting that. I have not seen that back home. I saw this in another Florida store when I was in Miami, a price scanner. I've not seen these in Dallas. So I don't know, maybe it's like in your state. Comment and let me know if you're seeing the price scanner in your states, but I've not seen that in Dallas. But like, Like what? That's crazy. Wait a minute. Be Pure put out this sugar coffee body scrub, and I'm like, okay, I've never seen this before. But then apparently so did Spa Apple Bath and Shower, which is a brand that's been around at Dollar Tree for forever. Like, what are the, do they like decide to do this together? I don't understand. We're gonna get both of them. Oh my god, look at their masks. I've been looking for this one. Y'all, Be Pure put out thigh masks. We're doing masks on the thighs? Okay. Guess I gotta do that. Look at these. I already got all these. Oh my gosh, these are actually really good. Do not sleep on these. Then we've got a jade scalp gua sha. A scalp. Yep. Getting that. Got this. Coconut. So pretty. I already bought these. And the chin one too. Look at this. The Nivea cream pocket size. I see these all the time at my Dollar Trees. The Dove. But these I've not seen. So we're gonna get that. I'm gonna go ahead and get one of these. Look at these sunglass cases. What? Oh, they are beautiful. Look at these colors. I'm gonna get the black one, of course. Kind of thinking about this red one and the brown one too, but look at these. For your reading glasses, and then you got all the sparkly ones, which is really cute. They've got, oh, this is like a whole sunglass section. Never seen this before. These are anti-slip ear grips. That is so awesome. Look at these colors. Brown, blue, red. I don't see black. Black would be a good one, but... And then these little sunglass holders. They've been around for a minute, but like, so cute. Yeah, the store is a little picked over, but it is Memorial Day weekend. Look at these freezer pops of these. Honestly, I'm staying at an Airbnb. These might be fun to just like have in the fridge. So they also have Skittles. Should I do Skittles or Starburst? I'm gonna go with Starburst actually. Also love cream soda, and I could take this back to the Airbnb. So I'm gonna go ahead and take 2 of these. You already know the drill. I love these for junk journaling. Let's see what other ones. I just found a bunch of these at Dollar General though, so I don't need any of these. Oh, look at this energy drink. Berry Blue 3D. That can's really cool, but like I said before, energy drinks kind of scare me. But yeah, like I said, I'm in Tampa, and I'm actually gonna be here for a little bit, so we're definitely gonna be hitting up a lot more Dollar Trees, and hopefully like the next ones aren't gonna be as picked over. Of course, they have this soap here. I've been trying to find this. I had no idea though that there was fig and black tea, so this is the first time I've seen this one. I've seen pink, peppercorn, and peony, and I've seen limoncello, but I haven't seen this one. So you know what, I'm gonna take this back for the Airbnb and put this in the bathroom so that I at least get to experience it, because I have yet to find this at home. I know it's sold out because I've seen these. So anyways, oh, Dermasil has extra moisturizing hand wash. Very nice. So fun fact, but when you guys knew that like I always talked about moving to Florida, living in Florida, I actually always planned on living in Tampa. That was my original location, or technically Sarasota, but like I knew I wanted to be in the Tampa area, and it really was like last minute, or a last like decision, I guess you could say, that I switched and decided to go Panhandle and go Pensacola region. But I actually have always, this was my original location. Okay, this is This is actually really cute. I think I'm gonna get this. So I got two more things. I got this paper barrel pens. Like, how pretty are these? We're gonna give these a try. And then I got the Jot gel pens. Now, these gel pens, not these in particular, but there are these other ones that are going viral. They've been around for years and years, but they're like just going viral now. But I found these and I'm gonna give these a try. I love the neon colors of the ink. So we're gonna give those a try. But yeah, so this is my haul. I decided to get this because I want something where I can like document all the states I've kind of been to. So this is like a little color in, kind of silly, but I like it. And then I decided I need to get one of these because this is my makeup remover wipes. Oh. Plus, like I said, I'm gonna be here for a while, so, and I've got a laundry thing, so I can just wash my makeup towels. So I'm gonna get that. But yeah, so I found the Car Sense Vanilla Aroma. The cherry is really cute. And then I also like this watermelon. I have not seen these at my house or in Dallas. And then we've got these little clips, which are cool. I've never seen those either, but they're all $3. So, but just to let you guys know, in the other automotive section, they sell them one for $1.25. So technically, you'd be saving money by grabbing the 3-pack at Dollar Tree. These ribbons are so cute. I've got to get these. I've never seen these checkered ones. It looks like these are the only 2 colors. I've never seen the playing cards of the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Never. These are so cute. Micah loves them, but I'm actually looking for these cards that they used to sell all the time, and they're not selling them anymore in Dallas. So let's see if I can find them here. What is this? That is so cute. Immediately we're getting that. We've got a friend's version of the word search and an office version, which is really cool. On the road. So if you're like, you know, what's that word called? I don't know. I can't think today. What is this book? The Ultimate Scratch and Sniff Guide to Loving Beer. What? Find those cards that I was looking for at the store. I knew I should have grabbed them last time I saw them. I think I saw them in Miami, but anyways, I found these books. I've been trying to collect them for a really long time. So I found Goldilocks and the Three Bears. There's actually quite a lot in this collection, I believe. The little classics. So cute. Just kind of like, yeah. Let me try to, it's hard to do this with like one hand, but it shows you like the whole collection here. So found Goldilocks, so we're gonna get that. I found Robinson Crusoe. Like what? So we gotta get that one. And then I found 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea, which I'm like, do I already have this one? Maybe I found this one, but I don't know if I found this one. But let's see if I can remember which ones I have found. I think I have Black Beauty. I wish I could find the Brave Soldier. Like, I really wish I could find that one. I might have to crack and like try to find these online, because like I think I have the Gingerbread. I have that one, but like the City Mouse and the Country Mouse, I really want that one. I believe I have Hansel and Gretel. I think I have Jack and the Beanstalk. I think I have the Three Little Pigs and the Ugly Duckling as well. But yeah, anyways, so we're gonna get that. But that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. There's gonna be more Dollar Tree Tampa hauls. I'm gonna go to other Dollar Trees, but I think this one was pretty successful. I definitely found a bunch of stuff I've never seen before, so that was really exciting. But now I'm gonna go check out, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for another trip to Dollar Tree. Oh, there was some drama. Check it out.